Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do another love read for you. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. And let's see now, Taurus, what's going on in your love life, how you're doing, how your person is doing, and what action we can expect now in your love life. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Taurus, let's begin. Let's see what's going on here. Eight of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, Strength, Nine of Wands, Six of Pentacles, and the Justice card. Okay. For the other side, I have the Three of Cups, Five of Wands, Six of Cups, Page of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, and the Tower. Most likely action person A will take, and the most likely action person B will take. Okay, so bottom of my spread, I do see the Four of Pentacles, which is somebody holding back now. From what? We'll check right now. And welcome back all my subscribers. Welcome in all my newbies. If you enjoy the reading, do subscribe to the channel. Become part of us. We welcome you in. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Taurus, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So before I begin the reading, Taurus, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards to kickstart this reading. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. 2 and 3 and one more for Taurus and their person spirit. Oops, okay. Right, let's take a few from here. True confessions. Thank you. All right, good to go now, Taurus. Let's begin our reading. The first card here says, I'm learning that I can still have a great life without you. So, general overview of what I saw of these cards, Taurus, is somebody is walking away. They're not happy with whatever has happened or the investment or time or effort put into a connection, and they're on the verge of walking away, whereas the other person is wanting to hold on to them. They want a reunion. They don't want this fight. They want to end this fight. But the card that I first read was, I'm learning that I can still have a great life without you. It's sometimes hard to keep the faith when you're taking so long to commit. I loved you more than I loved myself. Then I realized I didn't love myself. I'm sorry for the mind games I played. I know it was wrong. Yeah, somebody is apologetic now and saying, hey, sorry, let's not fight. Come back to me. How can you love me after I fucked everything up with our connection? Somebody knows what they've done. They know they're the cause of this tower falling. I let my temptations get the best of me. I got sidetracked. This lifetime didn't work out. Hopefully, I can do better next lifetime. I tried to walk away from you, but something keeps pulling me back to you. So if these cards are resonating with your story, Taurus, let's start our reading. Let's see what's going on here. So as I said, person A, for me this is person A, right? This is person B. So Taurus, you could be person A, you could be person B, you would know. Are you the one who's walking away, or are you the one who's now wanting not to let go and wanting a reunion or a reconciliation and want to end the fight. So what's this Eight of Cups spirit? Eight of Cups. Yeah, somebody's been emotionally unhappy in a connection. They feel that all these 8 cups were empty, I'm drained out, I have to now leave all this behind and go search for my 2 of Cups. All the time and effort and energy I put into this connection hasn't really fruitified here. Yes, this just kept me stuck and nothing else. They are thinking and trying to see things from every perspective possible. What I did, what so and so did, what happened here, how this has reached the place it's reached now, and thinking, yes, also about a soulmate connection. Yes, feeling now, maybe at one point this was a very special connection. Maybe at one point this felt like a soulmate connection where we were happy, but all that kind of came to an end. It feels like it's over. It doesn't feel the same loving connection it started out to be. It had the promise of being a perfect relationship at one point, but no more. But this person feels it's best that I walk away. It's over. It's not doing anything for me anymore. One more card spirit for the 7 of Pentacles. Yes, this person has now got the world in their hands. They're standing at crossroads and they haven't done anything yet, I think. They're still kind of planning. They're still kind of trying to see what should I do next? What's going to be my next move? Because I've emotionally walked away from at least this person. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to feel like that? Strength in reverse. What's the strength in reverse for person A? What happened, Spirit, for them to feel this way? That they wanted to walk away from a connection? Strength in reverse. Things were, I think, slowed down between the two of you. Nobody was really fighting for this connection. There was stagnancy in this connection. And it wasn't fueling the fire. Somebody wanted more. Somebody wanted more. Somebody wanted this, happiness, of stability, of growth, and feeling that, we are one and we are going to have a beautiful future together. But I don't think that really happened for them. Strength in reverse and the Page of Pentacles. This didn't make them feel the way they wanted to feel. Am I right, Spirit? How did it make them feel? How did it make them feel? They just felt there was always conflict, there was competition, and they wanted no part of it. They didn't want to be in a connection which was always going to be full of drama, competition, fight, conflict. And I think they came to a point where they stopped even fighting for this connection, or maybe they felt their partner never fought for this connection as much as they would have liked to. 9 of Wands in reverse. 9 of Wands in reverse. Yes, they felt their partner was too immature, never really taking responsibility. So what's the point of, being in a connection? What's the point of fighting for a connection which never makes me feel stable? Person A wants to now move forward so they can heal their heart. They don't want to be in a connection which is heartbreaking. They want to just move away and kind of heal themselves and find happiness somewhere else maybe. So how do they see person B? How does person A see person B? What do they feel about person B now? 6 of Pentacles in reverse. They feel that their partner brings in too much imbalance. It's not a balanced relationship. There's no equal give and take here. They create illusions. Why is that, Spirit? And they don't bring justice to this connection. Somebody is here, somebody feels that this relationship is just, it's become imbalanced. There is no justice in this connection. I don't want this. Maybe could be contemplating a court case as well. But person A is right now, what person A's dream is, they're manifesting happiness for themselves. They want this 10 of cups in their life. They feel their past person never really gave them that. Justice in reverse and the page of, Six of Pentacles in reverse. So how do they think when they think about person B, Spirit? How do they feel about person B? They feel this is too much of a burden to carry. This person is they feel this connection is too burdening for them. They don't want to live in this regret and sorrow and never have any forward movement. Otherwise, if they get stuck here, they will always regret not taking a chance on themselves to find who really matters to them, their true soulmate. This is how they feel about the connection now. So let's see what person B is up to. Person B has the Three of Pentacles, the Three of Cups. What's this Three of Cups, Spirit? What's this Three of Cups? Three of Cups. What's this Three of Cups? Yes, they know that their partner is walking away probably, and they want to hold on and kind of get them back to say, hey, can we have a reunion and let's not fight anymore. Five of Wands in reverse. Five of Wands in reverse. Yes, because their ego and pride gets hit if their partner leaves now. They want to be seen as somebody who's victorious, who's, got everything in control, who's, they're looking out for their own happiness. They want to be seen as somebody who's got all their ducks or cups in a row. They want to be seen as somebody who is, in control of their life. They want to be seen as victorious. So they are hoping that their partner will not walk away, come back to them, and they can somewhere kind of end this conflict which is going on between the two of you. What happened in the recent past, Spirit? Six of Cups. Six of Cups. Six of Cups. Something came to an end in a soulmate connection, or that's how they felt. Yes, they felt. I did see the Tower right now as well. So something kind of broke down in this connection. Maybe somebody told them that I want this to be over. I want to be single. I don't want to be with you now. And even though they thought this was going smooth, we have a great connection, but this was like a shock to them to know that their partner no longer wanted to be with them, or maybe wanted to be single and wanted a fresh new beginning with somebody else maybe. Page of Cups. What's this Page of Cups? Page of Cups. Person B is not ready to let them go. They're not ready to let them go. They are hoping that they will be forgiven. They're ready to say sorry. They're ready to fight for this one more time. They do want this rebirth of this connection. They want their partner to come back, even if that means to apologize to them. How does person B feel about person A now, or the connection? They feel there's some kind of a delay going on, and the Tower is slowly crumbling. Why is that, Spirit? Why is that? Why is the Nine of Pentacles in reverse? This person is worried. This person is worried and is trying to kind of delay this connection from breaking down, because they are trying to look into their future now, and they feel, oh my God, whatever has happened or is happening, this is going to backfire on me now if this connection comes to an end. The Tower, Spirit. Tower. Tower. Okay, see, I told you I saw the tower. Here it is again, the tower. So now they feel their partner has created a tower moment. They are not even kind of sharing anything with them, not talking to them. They know their partner is not satisfied in this connection. Wow. What's the most likely action person A would like to take, Spirit, for towards person B now? Knight of Swords. Why is that, Spirit? Why is this the most likely action person A would like to take towards person B now? They feel their partners were very combative, rash. They have anger issues. So I don't think person B is interested in having any kind of confrontation with person B. They would rather be by themselves and keep themselves a little isolated from person B. They are trying to be strong and silent. They're trying to not kind of aggravate the situation where it can turn into a fight. Am I right, Spirit? Yeah, they've kind of I won't see this as confusion here. I would see this as this person A has kind of turned their back on sharing any more love and affection towards person B now, put a lid on that cup of love, and kind of maybe checking out their other options now. They're not ready to kind of, it's better that, they're thinking it's better I live in my fantasies than kind of have a face to face with person B now, because they know it can turn into a fight. Let's see what action person B would like to take now. Hierophant. Okay, why is that? Why is that an action, Spirit, that person B would like to take towards person A? One more. They're not feeling happy at all. They want to work on this connection even now. They are feeling really down and out, feeling like if this my person leaves me, I'll be totally isolated, left behind. And even though they may not have said anything, this is what they want right now. They want this commitment to be firm. They want to bring justice back into their life, to both your lives. According to them, they feel that you belong to them, like you're committed to them, and that's the right thing that should happen. They want to hold on to you big time. I mean, they want to hold on to person A big time. They don't want to let this go. They feel that's the right thing. How can you leave? We have a commitment. But heart of hearts, what they're feeling is that if this happens, then, there is no future, and I'll get left behind. So that's all I have for you, Taurus. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.